going on, YouTube? This is Leon from LKB Pythons, coming at you with sort of an update video on the collection. It is about 7 a.m. So yeah, it's my morning routine. I normally come in here and check on everybody, make sure everybody's doing okay. If they need cleaning, I clean. If they need water, I give them water. But everybody seems to be doing okay. That's my het pod girl. So she doing real good. Let's see. My blade girl back there somewhere. Let's see. There she is. It's my blade het clown. Not breeding this season. So, got a little project going on. I got some mail from a fellow YouTuber. I appreciate that. Thank you, Gershon. I will be showing off that in a later video. But I'm working on sort of a project right now. So yeah, I haven't had time to finish it. But I showed a picture of this to a buddy of mine, who I met yesterday for the first time. And I showed him a picture of how I built my racks, and he was just like, "You gonna do a video on it?" I said, "Sure, why not?" So yeah, man, this is the start of it. This is what I had left over from this rack here and that rack there. But yeah, man, if you guys want to, let me know what y'all think in the comments about it. I can definitely do a video on it. I haven't had time to really finish it after this point, because I'm working. My only day off really is on Sundays, so that's when I normally come in here and mess around with this. But I will be doing a video. I just figured I'd make a short. I know it's early in the morning. I know some of y'all still getting up, you know, getting ready to take the kids to school and all that, but I just thought I would put out a little video. As far as the breed of females, here is my calico, who look like she's shed, man. She's looking pretty chill. It's my female calico who's shed. I will be cleaning that. This right here is my pastel 50% het pod, and she looking like she's getting pretty swollen. I guess I could show her off. Oh, would you look at that? In shed, man. So I probably missed her down real good. But yeah, she's looking really, really swollen, man. So yeah. So definitely looking forward to getting some eggs from her. This girl down here is my het clown female. Let me see if I can show her off. As far as all my pairings, this right here is my most anticipated pairing. I bred her to a pastel het clown and a fire het clown. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting some clown combos and some clowns. So yeah, man, by far my most anticipated clutch. And down below, we got our pinstripe girl. Let me see if I can. She don't normally like to be bothered, but there she is, looking sexy. So yeah, but these guys will be eating Sunday. I feed every Sunday, and that's all the big breeder females. I did pair up these two. I paired these two with my hypo male that is het for pod. I should have got that on video, but I didn't. But I did pair them up and they both locked with him. So everybody's kind of just taking a breather and get some food into everybody. So yeah, man, breeding season, it's going by pretty good. I'm getting prepared for the winter because it is getting colder in here. So as you guys can see, my humidity is kind of okay. I would like it a little bit better. The temps is 73 degrees in here. I got the door open though. This door stay closed behind me all the time, and normally when I first walk in here, it's probably pushing 80 degrees, and my humidity's at about 60, 65. So but yeah, man, I will definitely do kind of a part by part video on this. I plan on making this a hatchling rack, actually. So yeah, man, if y'all interested, let me know in the comments below if y'all want me to, post videos on how I make my racks. And if you want, I can throw in the cost of everything as far as materials and stuff used to make this. So yeah. But yeah, man, that video will be coming out soon. I'm just waiting on some supplies to get here in the mail. So yeah, actually I might be going to Lowe's this evening. So yeah, man, it is about 7 o'clock in the morning. Like I said earlier, I get up, throw a little water on my face, and just come in here and check on everybody. Make sure everybody's okay and chilling. And then when I get off work, I normally come in here and check on everybody, make sure everybody's chilling and dealing. I have been cleaning some tubs yesterday, as you guys can see. So yeah, man, she think it's feeding time. This is my female orange dream. The camera focus for me. Yeah, it looks like she got some poop on her head. That's crazy. So I'll probably be wiping her down before I go to work. I don't know how she did that. But so yeah, man, definitely got some girls that shed out. So yeah, everything's everything, man. Everything's going good. Videos are to come. Just be a little patient with me. So yeah, man, definitely look forward to getting this on video though. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share. I got a big surprise coming for y'all. So yeah, got a big announcement. I will announce that in a later video. You guys might already have seen it, really, but so yeah, man, just figured I'd put out this video this morning. So for all y'all who just now waking up, good morning, what's up? Hope y'all day go by good. Hope y'all have a blessed one. And yeah, man, y'all stay up and be safe. This is Leon from LKB Pythons. I'll holler at you guys in my next one.